back to my channel. I'm Fedo and you're welcome to another video with Fedo. Guess what, guys? What's popping? What's good? Guess what, guys? So finally I'm doing an unboxing video for my ring light and a couple of other stuff. I'll be unboxing a couple of other stuff, my ring light and the package which I got from YouTube Africa's Creators Day with my vlogging tripod. You know, I promised you guys that I would do an unboxing video of my ring light and my vlogging tripod. So finally, Jesus, wow.
2,000 years later.
So yeah, finally we're back after like 4 hours plus. We are finally back to shoot this video. Yay! You guys see what I go through when I'm trying to film video for you all. So please do not forget to subscribe, like, share my videos with your friends and family, turn on your post notification so whenever I post a new video you do not miss out, and do not forget to check out my other videos, premium content on the way on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed, you are missing a lot. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So guys, you guys know I got my ring light like a while ago. If you are familiar with my channel, if you are like with me from the beginning, from the scratch, you know that it's been a while I got my ring light. Yeah, but I don't really use it that much because I don't know, most times I'm not around or one thing or the other. I do not really use my ring light that much, so it has practically been in the carton. Like you can see, it's in the carton, everything is still in the carton, so I don't really use it that much. So finally, like, I've wanted to film this like unboxing video for a while. I do not know why, like something just keep coming up and coming up and coming up, but finally this is the perfect time for me to film this unboxing video. So yeah, I'm so excited and I know you guys are excited too. Like, I'm very excited. Like, the energy I used to like start in the beginning of this video, oh god, my energy level was like this 100%. Then NEPA just took like then 4 hours later I had to like do my edges again. I was even sleepy, I had to do my edges again, like transform myself like this again to look bright and good for this video, all for you guys. So please do not forget to subscribe to my channel because premium content all the way, and check out my other video. Yeah, so we're starting with the ring light. Yeah, so when I got my ring light, this is what it came in. It came in like this. So this is the leg or the stand or the tripod, and this is the like the ring light. So this was how it was when I got it. This is how it came. So there was this nylon, like this. So let me just quickly set this up for you guys to see. So this is the leg. I'm just trying to like open it up, but you have to like unscrew it like from here. Almost the same, like it's taller than me, not even see. Like, but for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna be bringing this down. So yeah, just reduce this a bit. Something we can use. So I'm just trying to screw it back so it's tight, and so that my ring light does not fall down and break because I will cry. Yes. Now that we're done with this, we're getting into the ring light. Yay. So yeah, see, it's kind of wound dusty because I didn't use it like I said. See the bag, it came in this bag. See, the bag is a wound dusty because, like I said, it's been a while I got my ring light, so, and I do not use it that much. So so when you open this bag, there's like this thing that we used to bust. Yeah, it's inside, but we have the like, so what do they call this, the charger inside the bag. The charger was actually wrapped, but one time like that I misplaced what they used to like hold the wires together, so that's why it like scattered like this. Let me just keep this aside, then we go back to the light. So like I said, this is my baby, my 18 inches ring light, my 18 inches LED ring light, my baby. So yeah, there are other stuff inside, let me not break it. So it came with these 2 phone holders, so I can actually like film a YouTube video and actually film for Instagram. Like, I can do 2 videos at the same time if the content I'm creating are related. So Some people are own actually come with 3, but mine came with 2, and I'm happy. So yeah, so this is the baby. Yeah, so this is the baby. So let me place this here. So I'll just go ahead to like unscrew here. So I just have to double check and make sure everything is properly set. So yeah, let me check if that there's anything else. So yeah, this is my remote. I actually never use this remote. The first time I used this ring light, I've never used this remote, but I think I need to put like a battery in it. The funny fact about this my ring light is that when I wanted to buy a ring light, I wanted like a rechargeable ring light, so that when there is no light, I'll be able to create content. Because all this NEPA rubbish, I do not want it. Like all this NEPA vibes, I don't want any negative vibes on this channel or anything that will stop me from creating content for my lovely fam. So I actually wanted to get like a rechargeable ring light, but here we are with a non-rechargeable ring light. But yeah, what can we do? Just have to continue. I head now to like on it because it's light and show you guys the ring light. So you're can you see that? Can you see that? So yeah. So guys, I just went on to like put on the phone holders, and this is what my ring light is looking like. This is actually in the fullest form, like the light is actually in the highest form, and I can actually change the color. So if I don't want to use a white light, voila, I can decide to use a yellow light. So my ring light actually 2 colors, but most time because I want the quality of my video to be, I usually use the white light. I've never really used this yellow light. I've not seen a reason to use it. So I say I've never seen a reason to use like the yellow light, but right now you can see I'm using the yellow light to show you guys what I'm actually talking about, and see from white to yellow. But I actually like the white concept. So you guys should let me know what color do you like, either the white or the yellow. I'm so sorry guys, in case you cannot hear me, I'm so sorry guys. Like just have mercy on me, I'm so sorry. While growing, so very soon we'll get a microphone and we'll get our audio level is going to be at its peak. So please pardon me if you cannot hear me. I'm really sorry. Has 2 ports, 2 USB ports. As you can see right now, my cord is on it, and this is the like the power port. This is what gives light to my ring light. If I take this off, like there's no light, completely go out of power. So this is what gives light, and it has 2 ports. So right now I want to get back into the unboxing video. Hi. That will be it for my ring light. I just unboxed my 18 inches LED ring light. So let's go. We are not done with the unboxing. So the second part is this my vlogging tripod. I started using my vlogging tripod too. I do not even understand how like most YouTubers use their vlogging tripod, because yes, I wanted to get a vlogging tripod, yeah, but I see people like use it outside. When I went for these YouTube Africa creators, the most YouTubers were using their vlogging tripod, like, but me, I removed my phone for my vlogging tripod and I use my hand like this to vlog, because I don't really understand. But yes, this vlogging tripod is really handy, especially when you're at home, because now when I was unboxing the ring light, I was actually using my vlogging tripod to like hold my phone and to film. So yeah, it's actually very like, but most times I just like vlogging with my phone when I'm out. I feel it's just easier than taking out a tripod and everyone just be looking at you. So yeah, let's get right into it. So yeah, this is what my vlogging tripod looks like. I told you guys I'll do an unboxing, and yeah, this is what it looks like. It came in this carton. So yeah, if you remove it from this carton, there is this nylon, and in this nylon my vlogging tripod is there. It came with a manual. It came with a charger. The charger is for the light because my vlogging tripod has like a light, like a small ring light. So yeah, this is what I'm talking about. And this one's actually 3 colors. So first color, second color, and third color off. So this is the charger I actually use to charge this. Then this is the manual. So yeah, we'll just keep this. Jesus.
A few moments later.
At this point, I'm quite frustrated. You guys can see what NEPA is doing to me. But I will film this video finish in Jesus' name. Right now, this is not like this gen. I will film this video finish like Jesus name. Make it quick. So this is my vlogging tripod. This is what it looks like when it comes like this. So when I open it, this is what it looks like. This is what my vlogging tripod is looking like. I just open here and open here. My phone goes in here. Right now I'm using my phone to film, that's why I cannot show you guys, but my phone goes in here. And you know the good thing about the tripod, the reason why I got this vlogging tripod, the major reason was because of this. Like, this was the major reason why I got this tripod, because I could elongate it. Because there are some cases that you want to film like some videos and your ring light cannot go there, so you just have to like take your vlogging tripod. So this is the reason why I got this vlogging tripod. And luckily for me, my vlogging tripod now came with like a mini ring light, so I'm really happy about this vlogging tripod. So yeah, let's proceed. Then this is the tripod, this is the leg. So you just place it down. Maybe you want to do like a walk past video, you just place your tripod down and pass, then you can come back to get it. I really like this, is like one of my favorite. Like, I really like this vlogging tripod, and it is portable, so anywhere you're going you can like take it there. So I really like my vlogging tripod. And it also came with a Bluetooth. Yeah, it came with a Bluetooth. All I have to do is just like set the Bluetooth to my phone, like connect it to my phone and like press record, and it's going to start recording instantly. It was this vlogging, like it was this remote I was using to like control the video. If you are like looking at me closely, you will see that this remote was in my hand. But yeah, so this is what my vlogging tripod looks like, and I'm really happy I got this vlogging tripod. Sometimes I even use it to watch film. I just place it down and like watch my film and just chill. So yeah, I'm really happy I got this vlogging tripod. And yeah, you guys are going to be seeing my vlogging tripod more often. You're going to see my vlogging tripod more often. More content all the way. Please, you guys should let me know what content you want me to put out on my channel more. I'll be very glad to film it all for you guys, and I love you all so much. Let's get into the last part. I'm so lovely. This is the last part of this video. I'm really sorry about the noise in this video. Currently the joint is on, and so I cannot help it. I must film this video, and I'm really sorry about the noise. This is the last part, and I'm really excited about this part because this is the package which I got from African YouTube Creators Day. If you have not seen my video on African YouTube Creators Day, part 1 and 2 is already on my channel, so please check it out. Check out the video, and do not forget to subscribe because premium content all the way on this channel. Right of the package, which is this thermal cup. I really like it. So let's just do the unboxing. So yeah, this is what the cup is looking like. They printed YouTube on it, so I'm really excited about this cup. This is like one of my favorites, this cup. And guess what, this cup, if you actually put like hot water or cold water, the temperature will actually show on the body of the, I don't know if you guys can see it, they're going to like show on the top of this, of the cup. I really like this cup, and the fact that YouTube is on it, you guys are gonna be seeing this cup a lot. Just watch out. So yeah, that's aside. Then, which was in the package which I got from Africa YouTube Creators Day, was this lovely jotter and pen, and it has YouTube printed on it. Like, I'm so excited. I'm going to be using this to plan content for you guys. Like, these YouTube people, they know their work. They know. So I really like this jotter, so I'll be using it to plan content for you guys. I'm not giving anybody this book. Like, So you guys are going to be seeing this book. Maybe the day I'll be feeling like a day in my life and stuff like that. You guys will be seeing this book. I'm really excited about the book and the pen. I'm really excited about all the gifts I got. So yeah, let's get right into the other one. Same is this MTN purse, because MTN was part of the sponsors of the African YouTube Creators Day. So they gave us this thing. So this is a cord. They gave us like an MTN cord. So this is it. This is what it's trim out. It has like this normal, this Samsung, or rather let me say the modern Android mount. It has an iPhone mount, and it has this regular or the common Android mount, which we all know. And yeah, this is it. I really like this thing. When you plug it in, this MTN pulse stuff brings out light. So I don't know, let me just quickly like plug it and show you guys. Alright guys, whenever you plug it, this MTN pulse stuff shows light, and I really like this because it's like a 3-in-1 like USB cord, and I really like it. God, I'm so happy for all this gift, because YouTube, they really know their stuff, like I said earlier, because we're creators, so our phone is always running down, so we need like cord to power up our phone. So thank you YouTube. Cute pulse fan, like you know that it's heat in this country, so we need fan. And it had some writings like all these raining slangs. It has it at the back of this: bars bows, we stand, okr, bola, bars bows, like different all these different raining slangs. It has it on the fan, and yeah, and this does the job. It does the job well. So yeah, this is really be handy. Questions and DM of how I got invited for YouTube Africa Creators Day. So if you want me to spill the tea for you guys, if you want that gist, just leave a comment for me at the comment section. Tell me that you want the gist, and I will like deliver. So yeah, this one is actually very handy. Yeah, we are done with the unboxing video. So yeah, this NEPA paper decided to bring the light. These people, they want to spoil my shine, but nothing can take my shine. So guys, we're finally come to the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed hanging out with me, and please do not forget to subscribe so you can see more of this beautiful face, this vibe, and check out my other videos, because premium content all the way, premium content. So check out my other videos, subscribe to my channel, share my videos with your friends and family, and until then, see you in my next video. Love and light. Bye.